Hello and welcome. Today we are going to kind of show you what our new catalog is going to look like. I hope everybody is well. So first things first, I want to point out that obviously it's got a new look here where you'll be able to see books that we've been able to add to our collection, a little note, our electronic resources, everything that's popular right now, books that are available. If you see red, it means that all of them have been checked out, so you'll want to put a hold on them. If you see this green, that means that they are available for checkout. A couple other things I want to point out through this whole catalog is that you have this help button that shows you a little bit more of a detailed search, account management, how to reserve a book, and basic examples. So like if you want to search anything on Lord of the Rings, you can type in a series, that kind of stuff. So first and foremost, I also want to show this language and that we have a kids catalog as well. So the language shows that it comes in multiple languages. That's really cool. We're really excited to have this feature. It's really awesome. This kids catalog, I'll show you in a little bit what that will look like. And I also want to show this button right here. It says sign up. If you click on it, you can now sign up for a library card online. It's really cool, really easy. Once you submit everything, you come to the library with your forms of ID and confirm everything, and you're set. So that's a really cool thing that we have. Now, another cool thing that we have is once you log in with your library card info, you can see that everything still looks the same. It just says now you're logged in. You go to my account and it shows you all of your account information. So you can display a scannable, you can update your password, you can add phone numbers, you can add emails. Another cool feature is that you have saved X amount of money by borrowing instead of buying. So again, that's really cool. Then you can go to notifications so you can see where your preferred location. So we have main, bookmobile, or a locker hold. Again, you can change that at any time. You'll just want to update it and hit save. You can update your phone numbers. This is the library's phone number. We are on a staff account. You can also see the books that we have checked out and how you can easily renew certain books, or you can renew all, or you can print. Another cool thing is all the items that you have requested or reserved. Now, something really exciting is this reserve new items. So you can reserve anything from a favorite author, and this is where you would fill all of that out. If you are going out of town, you can defer all of your books. So say that your books are due right in the middle and you're not in town to return them. This is where you could fill that information out. Or if we don't have something that you want, this is where now you would fill it out. Instead, we had you go to a whole nother thing, but now you can do this all through your account. We also have bookmarks, so that if you see a book that you're searching through the library and you want to come back to it later, you can then bookmark it. And then your history as well shows what you've checked out, and you can again edit that or download it. So that is really cool. So now let's go through how we're going to search for a book. So we're going to search for a book called let's look up Danielle Steele. She's a really famous author. As you know, she's very popular. Okay, so say you want this dark side. Okay, you can look over here. We've got main, bookmobile, and L stands for locker. You can see what's available. If it is available, if it's not, it shows red. So then this is where you can reserve, bookmark, save, and then you can also write a review, which is really, really cool. And then the other thing that's cool is things you may also like. So you have similar authors, you have similar books. all that you can do. So let's say I want to reserve this item. And then it goes, so when you click on that, then you see where would you like to pick it up? On the bookmobile, on a locker, or in the main library. And then you can pick how you would be notified. A text message, a phone call, or an email. And then you just hit place. And now it is reserved. You can also cancel it right then and there, or you can bookmark it right there as well. So that is kind of how the catalog from the adult side. Now we're going to go to the kids catalog. So again, I just clicked on kids catalog, and now it's going to bring up this really cool screen. It is sorted by categories. So all of these categories, there's something pertaining to that in the library. Really cool, really exciting. So let's say I want something with the Newbery medal. So then I clicked on that, and you can see where it says it's in or it's out. So let's do Frog and Toad. All right, so another cool thing that we have is this accelerated readers points. We have the points, we have the reading level, and the quiz number. And again, you can still review the title, and you can reserve it as well. And you can also see things that you may like Amelia Bedelia. She was always my favorite. You can also see similar series. So again, that's also really cool. If you don't want anything here, then you just go back to your general catalog. And at any point, if you want to leave the catalog, this takes you back to the Hastings Library homepage. And again, I hope you found this informational. Again, if you have any questions, please just give us a call at 402-461-2346 or stop by the library. Please note that on October 26th, you will not be able to access your account. You will not be able to check any materials out. And we will be switching everything over so that way on the 27th, this is what you will be seeing. So we hope to see you all then. And until then, have a good day.